Guys, alright guys, this is a new airdrop called DOGE COLLAR AIRDROP, and I'm going to take you through it. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Those on YouTube, you'll be getting it in the description box. Those who also join us through our WhatsApp link, you will get it on the referral link also at WhatsApp. So I'm going to start the video, but before that, kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime we post in any airdrop, you'll be the first person to benefit from that project. All right, so after you click on the referral link, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So you just have to go to start, and they will give you some captcha to solve. Sometimes everybody has his or her own. So mine is 0 plus 43. The answer is 43. So they will ask you to join all these 5 channels. But before that, they say spent. Welcome to DOGE COLLAR AIRDROP. We airdrop to 20,000 DOGE COLLAR to our users, and per invite N is 20,000 DOGE COLLAR. So when you invite each person, you are going to get 20,000. So let's continue our task. So you have to join all these channels and the groups. So as you can see, I'm joining all of them. So you join them one by one. So level 4 and 5. So this is the payout. So alright, let's go back, then go to join. So after you go to join, they will ask you to follow them on their Twitter page, but you just follow them. Let me teach you, due to the new or the beginner, so I have to do that. So you have to tap on the Twitter link, and you follow them on Twitter. I had followed them already, but due to the new users, I have to redo it again. As you can see, I had already joined their channel. Sorry, I had already followed them on Twitter. Alright, so due to the new members, I'm going to unfollow it to teach you how to follow on them on Twitter. So I just have to go to this black button here, click on it, then you are done with the follow. So you go back to the Telegram bot. I copy from here and paste and add up my Twitter username. So as you can see, DS. So mine is Dice Money Makers. So they will ask for your email, so you can just give them any email. So you can give dicetv19@gmail.com, but give your own. Alright, so after that you are done. So the next thing that you have to do is to set in your wallet. So what you have to do is go to the wallet, and they will ask you to enter your DOGE coin wallet. So DOGE COLLAR wallet. So you go to Trust Wallet. So I'm going to search for DOGE COLLAR. So DOGE COLLAR is not here. So the next thing that you have to do is to go to CoinMarketCap to get the contract address. So CoinMarketCap, but I'll be leaving I'll copy it and leave it in the description box. So you get the what they call it, the contract address there if you are not having the coin market cap. So kindly note that I will leave it in the description box. So I'm going to search for the DOGE collar. Alright, so this is it. This is the DOGE collar. So I'm going to tap on it. So alright, so they are having the Ethereum and the Polygon. So here's the contract addresses. So I'm going to look for the Polygon. So I will tap here or copy from this source. You can copy or you can go straight, because you are having Trust Wallet. You just have to click on the Trust Wallet straight forward so that it will redirect you to the Trust Wallet. So there's it. So it will fill everything automatically. Then you go to done. So after you go to done, here is it. So you get the DOGE collar post. Alright, so this is the current rate of the coin in Ghana cedis. Alright, so you just have to go to receive, you copy the address, you go back to the you go back to your Telegram bot. So this is the Telegram bot. Then you go to change wallet address. Then you paste in the address. Then you submit. Alright, so we are done with the setting of the wallet. So what you have to do next is to go to referrals. So referrals is where you are going to get your link and share to others to join. So let me go to withdrawal and see. It says you need to refer at least 5 more users to eligible for claim. So the withdrawal will be transferred to your wallet instantly, at least 100,000. So when you get 5 people, you can withdraw your money. So thank you very much. Kindly note that airdrops are 100% free. Do not pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed. Please kindly subscribe to the channel once again, and also click on the notification bell so that anytime we paste or we send in you post in or send in any airdrop, you will be the first person to enjoy from that project. Thank you very much. See you in another video.